Buenas, three brothers are roofing. On today inspection, it's about Skylight acrylic damage, and we are back on this house. We installed this roof on the 2015, and on 2025 we are back on this cold weather. I think today's weather is, I would say, like 20 degrees, and that's why we are doing estimation around. And he gave us a call about his damaged skylight. Of course, on the time we replaced his roof, we suggest him to replace his skylight, but at that time he wasn't ready, so we didn't replace it. And so he gave us a call about getting new skylight. It's what we're doing today. We're taking some measurements to see if his skylight is a standard size or it's custom size. But based off measurements, it's a standard size. Not a problem. It's 30 by 30. Will be easy. And usual we recommend to homeowners install a Velux skylight, because Velux is one of the best manufacturer, and that's what we offer to every single skylight project. And we provide a 10 years labor guarantee on any skylight replacement, and on any skylight leak repair. Usual we provide a 2 years labor guarantee, money back. If we don't stop your skylight leaking, we will give your money back, no question. So if you like those kind of video content, give us your comment below, subscribe to our channel, and that's it for today, boys. See you guys next time. Chop chop.